Hi friends, today I am with a new smartwatch. This is by Fastrack. The model name is Xtreme Pro and it is coming in the blue color. There will be three colors available, which is beige, blue and black. The smartwatch is temperature resistant, which means that minus 20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius it can resist, and it comes with the Bluetooth calling, always on display. It has health monitoring, 100 plus ports and few more things. We will definitely talk later. In the box, it is written 7,995. This is not the final price. I will definitely tell you what is the price the smartwatch is available. This is the blue color. Other two colors are beige and black color. These are the total three colors. And inside the box, you also get a pogo pin charger. One side USB and another side is a pogo pin charger. Some of the paperwork, and also there is an app which you need to scan and install in your iOS or Android device. From the back, you need to pull out this thin film. This is just to get the accurate measurement of the heart rate and other features. You also need to pull out the front display screen too. So these are what you are getting inside the box. And now if we talk about, the smartwatch comes with the IP68 rating, which means that it is dust and waterproof. It comes with the silicone strap. It has two functional crown. One is functional crown and is a multi sports shortcut. So these are the two physical buttons what we are getting. The silicone strap is a high quality strap. It comes with the BT 5.3 support, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity support. The display is 1.43-inch AMOLED display. It supports always on display. It has a pixel resolution of 466 into 466 pixels. And if you need to start your smartwatch, first you have to plug it in the charging. Once you do that, you can see it is booting. It has a cool animation. Also, it has a music during the animation. So this is properly a new OS, and currently it is charging. Once it is charging, you just need to pull it up. It will show you the language. Now it will show you the QR code. Once you scan the QR code, it will take you to Fastrack Smart app, which is available on Play Store and the App Store. Once it is done, you need to log in, give some permission, and here you can scan it to pair also. So now your smartwatch will be paired with your smartphone. It will take few minutes. It will ask the permission also. Then it will tell that there is a firmware update. I definitely recommend you guys to do the firmware update. Be little patient. It will require a proper internet connection. And while that situation, just charge your smartwatch. It shouldn't have very less percent of battery. And once it is done, it will show you the firmware update is done. Now it will ask you to do give your personal information, email ID, other details, also login with your phone number, OTP. So once it is done, this is the home screen where you can see the steps, the sleep count, the BPM, there is SPO percent and the stress count also. So all are these are can be seen here. Even there are some articles. If you want to listen music, there is some music which you can play which will relax you. So there are some preloaded music also available. Even the walk step, how much percent you have covered, each and everything is given in detail. This is the home screen, and in the top, if you can see, this is how you can disconnect with your smartwatch if you don't want it. And now the second is the community where you can have the social circle. Coming to the watch faces, it comes nearly 200 plus watch faces. You can try them out. Even you can create your own watch faces too. Now I will show you how to install one of the watch faces on your smartwatch. So just tap on it, and after that there is install watch face. Just be on the line for some time. It will require a proper internet connection, and once it is done, it will start installing the watch face. Now I have just tap on installing the watch face. It will take just few seconds, not even a proper 1 minute to install the watch face. So once it is done, you are ready to use the watch face, and you can see that it doesn't take much time, and the watch face is already installed. You can see the watch face. I'm just tapping the same watch face watch I have tapped on the smartphone on the app. And in the app, if you will check, there are a few more options. It comes with 200 plus more watch faces, so you can try each and every one of them. and also see which one is your favorite. You can definitely comment in the bottom which one is your favorite. You can even search from the colors or anything. Even you can make your own watch faces. Now coming to the apps which gets the permission to give you the notification in the smartwatch. Here are all the apps. Currently I have given permission to all the apps so that it can give me notification on my smartwatch. There is step goal. If you want to change it, you can definitely change that step goal to. Just click on it and here you can see I've changed it to 3000. Then there is also sleep goal you can change. You can also multi-sport goal you can change, calorie goal you can change, active time goal you can also change, and even active hour also for standing. Auto heart rate monitor, just switch it on. Auto stress, also switch it on. Google Fit, switch it on. And there is sedentary reminder, it is completely up to you, you want it or not. And if you want to find your smartwatch, just tap in here. It will make some sound and also at the same time it will start vibrating. So this is how you can find your smartwatch. And after that there is unit system which you can change. There's lift to view. I will definitely recommend you to switch it on. You can put the alarm. And how the camera works, I will show that later on. This is basically overview of the app what we are getting. And even if you want to have a detailed overview of the heart rate or maybe your BPM or also your stress and SpO2, each things can be given. It can be checked into daily basis, weekly basis or monthly basis. So this is basically all we got in the app. Now coming to the smartwatch, it comes with the two main functional buttons. The first one is the menu button which you can also scroll, and then downward at the sports mode which is multi-sports mode. So if you press the menu button once, it will show you all the menu and all the options which you can do and change it. I will show you each functions later on. Currently I am putting into list. So if you press slightly, it will go to the menu button and show you all the menu options. If you start scrolling it, it will change to all the watch faces which are pre-installed in this smartwatch. And you can see I'm just scrolling this button and the watch faces are getting changed. You can do that, and if you press that a little longer, you will get the option to restart or power off, and if you tap it slightly, it goes back to the home screen. If you tap bottom one, it will go directly to the sports mode. All the multi-sports mode will be shown here. The smartwatch comes with the 100 plus sports mode. It comes with the remote music control, the temperature, heart rate monitor. Here it is checking on the heart rate. You have to be little bit patient. Currently the heart rate is on a resting state. It will measure it, and here you can see the heart rate is already there. It has started calculating. This is the sleep monitor, and also you can, this is all the activity what we have done, how many calories we have burned. If you swipe from up, so it will go to the notification. If you swipe down, then you can see few more things. First one is the DND, do not disturb. In this you will not get the ring or the vibration. Here you can change the brightness, and after that there is a Bluetooth calling feature which you can disconnect. Then this is lift to view, lift the wrist to view. This is the torch, and once you go back from that, this is the setting. So it includes the watch faces. These are the plenty of watch faces which are pre-installed. These are not the ones which are available on the app. You have to manually install if you want something. This one we have installed. And if you go from top again, then go to the settings. Watch faces I have already showed you. Ring and vibrate, there is volume. You can increase the volume of your smartwatch. This will be helpful while you are talking or maybe you are getting a ringtone. Switching off the ringtone, here you can do that. Vibration intensity can be also changed to soft, medium and strong. Then there is auto sports recognition, it is off. You can switch it on. It may consume a little more battery. Then there is a DND mode, you can schedule it. You can have a smart mode also. Then there is also display. In this you are getting brightness. You can change the brightness. With there is also screen time mode, 5 seconds, 10 seconds and 15 seconds. This is the maximum screen time mode you can get. Then there is lift to view, and there is also AOD which is always on display. It has English, the language, and there is also battery where you can go and switch on the power saving mode if you want. Then there is power off, restart, reset. Here in the bottom you can see the battery percentage. It is connected with the smartwatch, and also calling feature is available. If you go to the menu, you can see my fitness. If you tap on that, it will show you all the calories burned, all the exercise done. Then there is sleep mode. Now this is all the sports what you can do. It comes with the 100 plus sports mode, so you can check that too. Then there is the records, the whatever sports record you have done. Then there is heart rate, which we have already shown you. Then this is the SpO2 monitor. Just be a little patient, it will show you the SpO2 reading, all the readings of the heart rate, SpO2, stress. If you think that this is not the right, go check with the doctor. Don't depend on this completely. Even the stress calculate is also there, but I will still suggest you, if there is something wrong you are thinking or you are feeling, just go to the specialized doctors and consult with them. Don't depend on any smartwatch or any gadget. This is, I'm talking about any gadget. So if you think that there is some issue, just go and contact with the doctor for regarding the same. So this is the stress count, and now there is phone, which includes dial pad, contacts, recent calls. I will show you how the phone works. Definitely 3 games are preloaded in this smartwatch. Then there is the weather app, and it actually fetches all the weather details from your smartphone. Then there is clock, which has alarm, event, stopwatch, other features. Then there is breathe, AI voice. How this works? This is very easy. This actually triggers your voice assistant in the smartphone. It can be Google Assistant or Siri. You just have to be patient and also need an internet connection. Just tap on it. If you tap it here, you can see that the Google Assistant is been triggered and it is working with that. So this is how it works. It works vice versa also. You can tap and speak directly with the smartwatch. In the smartwatch, it will reply you directly. So you don't need any other device or maybe smartphone to ask any question. So this is how it works, but it will require an internet connection. This is the AI voice. And then there is a calendar. This is a proper calendar of a month. And there is music, which is a remote music which will work. Now there is also remote camera. How it works, I will show you. Just tap on the camera app, and here on your smartphone it will switch on, and there is a timer. Once the timer goes off, it will click and it will take the picture. The picture will be saved in the gallery. Now how to find a phone? Just you have to tap it and you can see the notification on your smartphone. Your smartphone will be started ringing and the flash will be automatically on. So this is how you can find your smartphone. So this is one more thing what I have told you. Then there is layout. I have already showed you. There are two options, list and grid. Currently it was in list. Now I have changed it into grid. Now we are back to the list one. Then there is a flashlight. Lastly, it comes with a proper calculator. So you have a calculator app. Now the main thing is the calling, how the Bluetooth calling works. Now I am calling from another number. Here you can see I am getting an option to message directly, disconnect the call, mute it or answer. Currently I am putting answer. In the answer you can mute it. You can also increase the volume or decrease the volume, and also you can use the keypad if you want to type or dial any other number. This is how you will disconnect the call. And now I will show you few more features. If you are getting a call you don't want to attend, you have some quick text to reply. So this you can do. You can disconnect, and always you can mute also. So currently I have disconnected the call. So this is how the calling works. And you can also take out the strap. It is completely detachable. You can do that. The best part is that the silicone strap is of very high quality, and the smartwatch is a rugged smartwatch. It is resistant up to -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. So, and it comes with the 300 mAh battery, which completely depend on the user how he is using it, and it can last up to 7 days to 10 days also. Now coming up to the price, this is priced for 3,999. It is available online. And this is all about the Fastrack Xtreme Pro. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.